When it comes to building a custom home, there are a lot of decisions to be made. Who will build the home? What will be the design of the house? And what will the interior finishes look like? One design choice that is rarely discussed is what HVAC system to use. After dealing with the limitations inherent to traditional duct unitary cooling and heating systems in a large home, Andor and Andrea Molnar knew they wanted a system that would provide superior zoning, comfort control, and efficiency.
So I'm Andrew Molnar, Director of Human Resources.
I'm Andrea Molnar and I'm a homemaker.
Well, we're originally from Canada. We moved to Austin first and then to Houston for my job. Well, when we lived in Austin, we had two extremely large air conditioners cooling the house, and that house was just a few hundred square feet bigger than this. And, you know, all we ever heard was both of them switching on and off all the time. So the key was to find one that didn't go through that on-off only.
The constant on and off of a traditional air conditioning unit is not only uncomfortable, but also highly inefficient when it comes to electricity usage. VRV life systems are equipped with Daikin inverter variable speed technology. Like a car operating in cruise control, an inverter carefully controls the heating and cooling power generated by the unit. This reduces energy consumption, reaches the temperature set point faster, and provides continuous comfort quietly. Apart from the noise and energy reduction benefits realized with their new Daikin VRV system, the Molnars were also able to realize individual zone control throughout their home.
We've never actually dreamed of controlling temperature in different rooms of the house. You know, like basically it was cool up to where that thermostat was. So it's just fantastic that, you know, upstairs right now is warm. It's not hot, but it's warm and it's not being cooled. So we're not wasting energy going through that.
Zoning is an important factor that contributes to energy savings and comfort. In most cases, larger homes can be separated in two zones, with each zone being served by a separate system. The Daikin VRV system allows for one outdoor unit, with the ability to control up to 9 zones throughout the home with zone control, achieved by using wireless controllers installed within the space it conditions.
Well, they're conveniently located in each zone, mounted on the wall, or we could pop them off, and you can see the temperature and the humidity of that particular area of your house, and you know, you can set timers. Our son has a disability, so he uses a wheelchair. So when he is in bed at night, if he gets too hot or too cold, he in the past would always have to call, you know, someone to change the temperature of the whole house. So now he is able to take one of those little remote units and put it on his night table, and if he feels too hot or too chilled, he can adjust his own temperature without affecting anybody else.
Well, it's a pretty self-explanatory system, so I really like that. That once, like the Daikin engineers showed me that, it's quick to pick it up. I was very quick.
Even though the size of the outdoor unit was not a driving factor, the slim design of the VRV unit provided additional usable space on the side of their home.
Pretty sleek looking unit, very narrow and doesn't take up as much space as a conventional air conditioning unit, which allows us more room to get by.
With the ability to minimize system noise, increase overall home efficiency, and serve multiple zones, the Daikin VRV Life System for residential applications was the perfect solution. Realizing the high level of control, noise reduction, comfort, and customization requirements, the Daikin VRV was able to meet the homeowner's needs and will provide an effective and efficient system for many years to come.